this video when I watch so now the video of former governor of CBN, when we call Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele. Now be in name when we say everybody know for example Nigeria here. Now don't hear the issue. The gaga when we say federal government wrench they fight against them. That is the gaga when they hack for a neck. Say they say Bosa for a house, and the team when they put for inside Bosa, the fire and everything they for a house. Say na illegal possession of firearms. Now in day for a house. Apart from the money when they say it change, when they say you know say that time when they say they change the currency, when we say money cost cash for everywhere, when we say cost wahala for inside we go to Nigeria. So everything they among waiting make DSS, Department Security Service. SSS, you say we find them as SSS before State Security Service. Then we don't get department. Before you know that they come out that the whole idea. That's why they have for Nigeria. They carry and go court. So they don't lie down for court now. Waiting make Nigerians react be say why be say this Godwin Emefiele so they not put handcuff for a hand. They can't draw the fair back to Evans when we say Evans when we say they that time say Evans when they arrest Evans they put handcuff for a hand. Why be say somebody when call be billions still even get poster for house and the Ghana they put for inside for house that they know that they guide down they never put handcuff for a hand nothing like that. Now what you mean Nigeria can come out and come say this country. According to that English, when they speak that, and they say who made the law? They say the law is made by the superiors for the poor and the lower rank to obey. Now, to know say what people they talk for Nigeria say yes, not true. So you when they say they watch this video now, what you see concerning this thing to put handcuff for Godwin Emefiele hand now offense, I be not be offense. And waiting did the DSS do so when we say they don't put handcuff for a hand, it go like that. I be the handcuff now for poor people, and waiting many people for inside we go to Nigeria now. Come they shake head, people say this country. So I said watch the video, make yourself drop your comment, you could see. After 1960, when we say since 1960 when we say Nigerians they are independent, whether Nigeria be Nigerians, I will talk again no. Now candle light needs to be bright past NEPA light for inside we go to Nigeria. That's why my name is Remember Free.